Hello, readers. Welcome back on our YouTube channel. So, in our today's reading session, we will be reading an important article from the Hindu newspaper, and this is the article is all about Japan going to ar- invest around 42 billion dollar in India. So India Japan set target for a 42 US dollar billion investment, and Kiskeda, who is the Prime Minister of Japan, discusses about the Ukraine conflict and about the LAC situation with Prime Minister Modi. In this news, India and Japan set an investment target of 5 trillion yen. Yen it is the currency of Japan. So, the overall investment would be around 5 trillion yen in the Japanese currency, and in US currency, it will be around 42 billion dollar in the next 5 years, and all of this investment will be happen in the next 5 years. The leader announced after a meeting in New Delhi for the 14th annual summit, where several agreements were signed. So this meeting was happened in New Delhi, and it was the 14th annual meeting where Indian and Japanese top leaders met, and they have also signed several agreements related to trade and other things. The two sides discussed various regional issues during the meetings, and India and Japan have also discussed different regional issues in this region which are currently going on. And Prime Minister Modi briefed his Japanese counterpart Fumio Kishida, who is the Japanese Prime Minister. So Prime Minister Modi spoke have spoken with him, have told about the what is the situation of line of actual control LAC with China, and attempts by the PLA, which is the People's Liberation Army of or Chinese army, in a multiple transition along the LAC. And Foreign Secretary Harsh Sringla said any normalcy in India-China relationship would depend on the progress of the LAC de-escalation talks. So Foreign Secretary Harsh Sringla also tell that when the situation around the LAC and the de-escalation will happen, only after that their relations will, or that we can see any progress in India and China's relationship, indicating that the proposed visit of Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi would need to focus on that. And by saying that, he was indicating that in the next week, when Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi is when Indian side will meet with Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi. So the main agenda for the talk will be about the LAC and de-escalation around the LAC. However, in a clear sign of differences over their stand on the Russia-Ukraine uh, conflict, Mr. Kishida emphasized that Russia's action must not be condoned, while Mr. Modi made no direct reference to the situation. So, however, India and Japanese both have the different views over the Russia and Ukraine conflict, while Japan have directly condemned the situation.